Sorry. Sunny California. This is a beautiful day in beautiful Watsonville, California. Heading to work. I might be a little wet, and for maybe the second time in 20 years, I actually have a rain suit on. I don't know. I haven't used my helmet camera in so long. I feel like it might. I don't even know if it works. But we're finding out. We're getting wet. Yep. Very wet. I'll be happy to get to work, which is something. Actually, I like getting to work. I don't mind. I like it. I love the people I work with, but I only like people in general so much, so I'm happier once everybody kind of clears out and I got the place to myself. That way I can think. I know I spend way too much time thinking. Nothing good will ever come from it. But maybe nothing bad either, so. Whoo! It's cold. This rain is definitely brisk. Hasn't penetrated my suit yet, except my feet, and that's my own fault. And I forgot to bring spare socks, so I'll be sloshing around all night. It's pouring. It's raining sideways. Well, at least I'll have something to vlog about. I am going to start. Oh, okay. Here's something to talk about. So deep. So deep. That water was deep. It was like, that was like my feet were underwater. Okay. But anyway, back to the sun. I'm going to start making videos again. You know, they'll be my standard 1 or 2 minutes. I won't try to bore you, but I'm just going to keep making them. Even though nobody watches them, I like the whole concept of doing it. Maybe it's like a diary or just to clear my head, but just to say stuff. Just to say it and get it out. Kind of like writing things down. So, as of today, I'm going to try to put out something every day. A minute, a thought, on a bike, off a bike, something. But, so I guess this is today's something, although I did actually post something today. Look, it's raining. And that's it. Oh, yeah, that was deep water. Very deep. I'm very wet.